Good morning. Welcome to Mornings with Patty. Today I'm reading from Journey to the Heart, September 1. Make it a labor of love. The mirror was framed with a ceramic octopus. It had the sweetest, most peaceful energy. It made me smile when I saw it. Do you like it? My friend asked. Arnold made it. That's when I knew why it was so delightful. Its energy, delightful, joyous, and sweet was Arnold's energy. The things we create have energy. A meal we cook, a task we perform, no matter how big or small, what we do contains our energy. The emotional energy and attitude we put into it. Have you ever cooked a meal when you felt angry and disrupted, hurried and harried? Have you noticed the difference when you cook that way, that meal in a loving frame of mind? Merely doing the job isn't always enough. We need to do the job with our best energy, our most positive, emotional, and mental attitude. Take time before you begin a task to become conscious of the energy you want to put into it, the energy that you want the task to have, and reflect to yourself and to others. Make conscious, deliberate choices. The larger the task, the more time you may want to spend developing your ideas around it. On particular significant projects, you may want to spend time visualizing and writing down your ideas so you can focus that energy into your work. Experiment with this idea. See how it comes to life as you do your daily tasks. See how much better the people around you feel when you do your tasks in love. See how much more joy and pleasure work brings to you. There is honor in all work, in all tasks, but take it a step further. Make what you do a labor of love. Then your work will truly touch and change the world in the way you desire. The work you do, whatever your chosen field, will be work that heals. I love this reading. I hope you do too. Go around and change the world with your love. Put every ounce of energy of love into your work. And that's how we change the world into a more loving one. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe. Maybe put your notifications on and share it with somebody who may benefit from this. I love you so. And I have other readings, and check them out below. Mwah.